Are you a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for side hustle to do? Yes, then this video is for you. So do not hesitate to wait till the end, because I'll be revealing different ways that you can be able to make money online as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okuriko, popularly known as Fesky. In this channel, I share valuable content about meat importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this sounds like something you like, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notification icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know I love you. That's why I go these extra mile to create content for you. Okay, and meanwhile, while the video is ongoing and you got value, do not hesitate to click on the like button and share and leave a comment in the comment section. If you also have any other side hustle you can do as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom, or there are some that you've done before, please leave a comment down below. All right, my number one is drop shipping. Now, what is drop shipping? It's like you acting like a middleman. For example, Madam Fesky owns a shop, a superstore. She sells baby wears, adult wears, both male and female, shoes, jewelries, utensils, cooking utensils, whatever. Okay, then you don't have a dime, but you want to sell. So you contact Madam Fesky, you tell her that you want to drop ship for her. So whatever items she has in her shop, you post them on your WhatsApp status or perhaps whichever way you want to use. Okay, when you post them and somebody is interested, meanwhile you must have layers with Madam Fesky. Maybe you ask her, for example, let me use example of a shoe. Madam Fesky, how do you sell this particular shoe? She tells you it's 6,000 naira. All right. However, yes, she will give you at a subsidized rate. Okay, she tells you it's 6,000 naira, and then you add your own profit. Let's say you add something like 1,000 naira to it, or perhaps 1,005, and you're selling that shoe for 7,500. So you post it on your WhatsApp status and you tell people that this shoe goes for 7,500 naira. So whenever somebody is interested in that shoe, the person pays the money into your account, and then you pay Madam Fesky her 6,000 naira. Madam Fesky sends the shoe to that person, the person's location, without you even seeing the shoe, or perhaps you owning it in the first place. However, you must have gotten your profit of 1,500 naira. Okay, so that's drop shipping. So as a student, you can do drop shipping, or perhaps a stay-at-home mom, you can do drop shipping. If you want me to film more on drop shipping, how you can start a profitable drop shipping business in Nigeria, please leave a comment down below. Type drop shipping, okay? When I see it, I will be inspired to film a video on that. Then side hustle number 2 that you can do as a student or a stay-at-home mom is graphic design. Sometimes here we all don't know graphic design. Okay, so for example, you don't know it. It's something you can learn. It's a skill you can learn online. Like I learned graphic design with my phone. I think the person charged 1,000 naira or 1,500 naira back then, yeah. And the training lasted for about a week. Yeah, about a week. So you can learn something like that. You can learn graphic design, and when you learn it, you can be able to make money out of it, like creating logos for businesses, especially businesses online. Okay, maybe your friends or your neighbors, family members, whatever. Okay, you can be able to create logos for them and make money out of it. Then another thing you can do is website design. Yes, a lot of businesses, they want to be organized, hence they need a website where they can tell people what their business is all about. So you can learn how to create a website. You can even, I've already filmed a video on that. I'll leave it somewhere up here. Okay, so you can click on it and watch it if you haven't done so. How to create website using Canva. It's very easy. Or perhaps Google My Business. Okay, very easy. So just click on it and watch that. Then another thing you can do too is sales of thrifts. Okay, gbogbo as we know it to be, or perhaps okrika. Okay, so as a student, you just look at your friends. What are they interested in? So you just go, you pick some items, okay, things you know they will buy at a subsidized rate. Okay, maybe you buy top. Yes, you can see some beautiful top like 500 naira. Okay, and then you sell it to them for 700, 800, or perhaps 1,000 naira. You get your profit out of it. And also a stay-at-home mom can do the same. Maybe you buy those thrift wares. You can buy for just children, and then you visit your friends or family members, tell them that, see, you have thrift wares for kids. This is the amount, this is the amount. You make money out of it. All right. And another thing you can do before I move over, do not hesitate to click on the like button if you haven't done so. All right, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me other avenues, other ways you can make money online as a student. Anyone you've tried, how did it go? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, then another thing you can do, you can organize tutorials as a student. Yes, there are some students that are just so good in a particular course. All right, so if you're good in that course, you can organize tutorials and then teach other students, and you make money out of it. Yes, another thing you can do, you can run errands. Yeah, you can run errands for people. Okay, there are some guys or babes that are claiming to be big boys or big girls. They can't go to the market, buy foodstuff and cook for themselves. You can tell them, okay, you can run the errands for them and you get paid. Another thing you can do, you can sell small chops. There are videos on YouTube. You just watch how to maybe how to bake small cakes, or how to make meat pie or egg roll or puff puff, whatever. Okay, so after watching those videos, then you practicalize it. You go to the market, buy all the ingredients you need, whatever, and then you start selling those small chops and you get money out of it. Another thing you can do, makeup. Yeah, as a student, you know, girls now, they like Owambe. Every Saturday, party after party, okay, and they want to look good. So you can, if you don't have that skill, you can learn it, or perhaps you have that skill, then very good. Make wise use of it. So you just do a little touch on their face and then you make money out of it. So that's how we roll. Okay. Then another thing is dry cleaning service. Yes, a lot of persons, they don't want to wash. They don't want to wash their clothes. I'm talking about students. Okay. They don't want to wash their clothes, especially guys that has these long sleeve shirts. They want ironing and the rest. Okay, so you can do that for them. Just wash the clothes, iron them, take it to them. You make money out of it. Okay, so these are businesses you can do online or perhaps offline as a student or a stay-at-home mom, and you make money out of it. I hope you got value from this video. Please do not hesitate to click on the like button, share, and comment. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have other things to talk about that a student or a stay-at-home mom can do to make money. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.